Hi everyone, I just wanted to go over a few things about lab number 3. So lab number 3 will be molecules and light, and in this lab you'll be mainly looking at how light and molecules interact. So the first thing you'll do is I have a video for you here that will explain a lot of detail about how molecules and light interact and how different types of light or radiation interact with different types of molecules. So give that a watch, and then down below there's two simulators. So one is light and molecules and one is microwaves. So the first one looks like this, and you can do a few things here. So one thing you can do is you have, just by default, you have a molecule, and then this is already set to infrared. You can hit this button and it will fire little photons of infrared light at this molecule. What you can also do is change to, say, microwave and do the same thing. You can also change to visible light. And then you can also change the actual molecule itself. So let's take a look at oxygen maybe. And let's see what happens with visible light. Okay, so you can change the type of light, or the light source I should say, and then you can change the molecule. Okay, so this is the first simulator, so you'll play with this a little bit. And then the second one is a microwave simulator. And you have a few options here. So you can look at the interaction of a microwave with just one molecule, a single line of molecules, many molecules, and then lastly, a cup of coffee. And there's a few things you can do here. So you can change things like the frequency, the amplitude, and take a look at what happens like with that. You can change the field, so you can make it full field, meaning it's more microwaves, or you can make it less. You can change the frequency, the amplitude, and all you're going to do is just simply turn it on or off. And you can play with these settings, and there's one question to ask you about frequency and amplitude, so this is how you can kind of figure that out. Okay, and then there's a few questions for you to answer, and that's it. Alright, so good luck with that, and please let me know if you need any help.